Hi guys, so it's Saturday. We are going to be on our way to Colorado Springs right now. I'm wearing my new button-up blouse with this cute cardigan I got from TJ Maxx. And yeah, I have my little pony on. I got these little hair ties from Aeropostale. And I got my Louie. And Maddie, looking all cute over there with her JoJo bow. Say hi. We got everything packed up in here. I overpacked for sure, but I'd rather have more than less. If that makes sense. I'd rather be prepared than not prepared to make it sound more better. But anyways, we're gonna go to Colorado Springs right now. We have an hour and a half drive, and it'll go by fast. An hour and a half isn't bad at all. But yeah, so we might stop by to grab something like real quick to eat, and then head on the road, and then stop and eat somewhere there, because we don't check into our hotel until 4 o'clock, and it's, oh, what time is it? It's only 12:30, so we'll be there by like 1:30. We'll be there by 2. So that'll be nice. Yeah, the makeup looks so good today. I set my makeup today with my new Too Faced powder, and then I used my Anastasia brow pomade, and then I also put gel on over it, like the Anastasia gel. So it actually makes my eyebrows look so much better. And then I'm just wearing my MAC lipstick. It's Velvet Teddy, my favorite color. Hey, Maddie's singing. Hey guys, we just got to the hotel room. It's a little small, but it's cute.
Oh, look, we got a view of the homeless people.
This is the bathroom. It's super cute. The shower. And then here's the bed and the window. They have a Keurig, water. Maddie's trying to leave.
Jesus.
I think we have to take that back down, babe. A little desk area, a little mountain view. Remember, she's like, oh, you guys will get a mountain view, and Josh was like, oh, the highway. Oh, take a picture of me, babe. Hey guys, so we just got back to the hotel again, and we went to Walmart, Texas Roadhouse, and then when we were there, we decided just to take our stuff and go. We're like, can we get our food to go? And then, yeah, we took it to go. So I'll show you guys real quick what we got from Walmart and then our food. So we just got these bags of variety chips. I got a Starbucks drink. And we got a bunch of goodies from Walmart. So we got Gatorades.
She's on one, right?
Yeah. We got Maddie some swim diapers for the pool. Right there. And she has really dry skin, so we got her this eczema cream for when she gets out of the pool. She's so tired. She like doesn't want to be here.
That's kind of weird.
She just feels comfy at home. Then I got this like one-piece bathing suit for the pool, and I'll use this for Cancun too. And then I got this super cute blue robe with like pink lace on it.
They hooked it up, dude.
Maddie got some Cheetos. Josh got some beef jerky.
You potty?
Can you change her? I got some chocolate mixed berries. And we got Maddie this coloring book. And then this is Maddie's food. She got, oh no, this is mine. This is the chicken fried steak, veggies, and baked potato. This is Maddie's chicken tenders and fries with ranch. And then Josh is a hamburger with fries. And then some rolls. And then I gotta get Maddie something to drink. Papa?
She's like, fuck that. that bag.
What's wrong?
Oh, what the fuck? That's what's wrong.
Her tummy hurts.
Put her in that.
Come here, baby.
Put her in that. What? She didn't even eat anything though.
Hi guys, so we just got back from the pool and we took a shower real quick. Maddie has the stomach flu. So yeah, we had to hurry up and go to the pool fast because we were scared that she was gonna poop in the pool. But overall, we had a good time. Babe! Hi guys, we just woke up and it's like 10 o'clock. He slept so comfy. It's 9:30. So I'm gonna do my makeup, get dressed and stuff, and then we're probably gonna go grab breakfast real quick. Are you sure?
Say bye-bye.
Open wide. Mommy, mommy. What is that the Gatorade?
ABC good na bada. Ha 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 ha. This. Ha ha ha.
I'm not the maid. I protect your home and auto. Hey, Campbell, who's the maid?
No, you gotta stand still.
Every day, visionaries are
I'm gonna get the red topic, guys.
every day. We put our
Okay, guys, I'm all ready. I just have my hair up in a ponytail. Gonna grab Josh's.
What's this?
Hold on. That's why you just leave it in here. Babe, you should have watched the bellhop thing.
Get out of the door. Fine,
You put your contacts in already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put your case in my purse.
Do not close the door.
Okay, we are getting ready to leave. I just put my hair up in a pony. I'm wearing my Victoria's Secret pink sweater, my Victoria's Secret leggings, and my Uggs. And then Maddie just has her same outfit on. Well, a different outfit, but like, you know, shoes and stuff. And then we're gonna go downstairs and get ready to leave. There's so much stuff. Okay. What are you looking for? Hi guys, so, oh my god, I gotta sneeze. Thank you. We are going to be on our way back home. We were going to meet up with Ruby, but someone likes to rush me. He was rushing me when we were leaving the hotel, and then he was rushing me about lunch. Yes, you were.
We were trying to find somewhere good to eat.
Whatever. And,
I don't meet the lady because I'm tired.
well, I have work tomorrow too.
So I'm tired.
Anyways,
I see you.
what are we going to in 7 minutes?
Near the highway.
Oh god, I gotta sneeze. It's Sunday too, and I have like a lot to do when I get home. I wish me and her could have met yesterday, but it was snowing bad over here. I was like, Jesus, like it was like white out. Oh, look at the mountains, guys. I like honestly wish I lived over here. Like, look how pretty it is. Like the mountain, like there's apartments right here, and they could be like, oh, I have a mountain view. But anyways, so yeah. So I plan to meet with her next weekend at Castle Rock, and like me and her could actually hang out and not be rushed, or you know, and we could take our girls to hang out and stuff like that. So I mean, it would work out better doing it that way anyways, versus like we would only probably hang out for an hour.
Rushing you?
Yes. Versus you rushing us like, oh my god, come on, you gotta go. Like I already could see it. So I'm gonna hang out with her next Saturday at Castle Rock, and then like there we could walk around with the girls, go to a park or something, have them run around, give her giveaway stuff. I mean, I could just mail it to her, but I still want to like hang out with her, you know. She's like really cool and nice. But yeah, wow, my makeup looks so good. Like I said it with powder. Does it look good, babe?
Yes.
But we had lunch, like brunch. We just had, I had a smothered burrito. I'm not sure what Josh had, but it wasn't good. And then Maddie's meal was like probably better than both of ours. She had steak quesadillas with fries, and those quesadillas were so good, guys. Like, you have no idea. They had food coma. But overall, this weekend was really fun, and I'm glad we did it like